friends want to stay overnight at Melody's house. Why are they taking so long? What are they doing? I think I should call them.
No.
Ouch! It's so noisy! Oh no! Melody called me! Hey, Kuromi and Cinnamoroll, when are you coming to my house? OMG! I forgot! You reminded me, Melody! By the way, where's Cinnamoroll, Kuromi? I don't know, Melody. Okay, I'll take a shower first. See you later, Melody. I'll brush my teeth first, so they are clean.
Ah, you're so funny.
Luckily, the Melody reminds Kuromi. So what does Cinnamoroll do? I'm done. Now it's time for me to take a shower.
No.
Cold water make me fresh. Since Kuromi has finished bathing, let's choose clothes for her. Come on, choose clothes for me. Which one should I choose? I put my pajamas first. Which one do I choose? Looks like this one is good. Wow, very cute clothes. Looks good but simple. To look more attractive, Kuromi wears purple shoes. Yay! I'm done! I'll bring my pajamas because I want to stay overnight at Melody's house. It's annoying. Who is calling me? Oh no! Melody just called me. What should I do? Looks like I have to hurry. What clothes I am wearing? Just this one because it's cute. I'll bring my pajamas because I'll be staying overnight at Melody's house. Wow! It looks like they have come. Just open the door, friends. Hi, Melody. Hello, Melody. Hey, Cinnamoroll. Why didn't you pick up my call? I was taking a shower earlier. Okay, you can change clothes there. Let's follow me. Here, you can change your clothes. Okay, Melody. Wait, let's change clothes first. Okay, Kuromi. And they all finally changed clothes, starting from Cinnamoroll. Wow, cute pajamas! And now Kuromi will change into a very beautiful pajamas. Where is your pajamas, Melody? Oh, it's in the room. Wait a moment. Where are the pajamas? It seems like they are in the wardrobe.
No.
I'll bring a blue ribbon too, because it's cute. Hi guys, I'm back. I've got my pajamas. Why? I'll change into my pajamas. Ugh, I'm sleepy. Me too, Kuromi. Let's go to sleep. Let's go, Melody. Come on, follow me. Finally, Melody and her friends went to sleep.
Duh.
Good night, everyone. And that's the story. Bye, guys.